Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Telegram. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Telegram app on your phone, and then you gotta click on this button on the top left corner of your screen, and then choose settings menu right here, and then you have to click on privacy and security option, and click on two-step verification to turn on two-factor authentication. And then click set password right here and enter your password, and click on this button and re-enter your password, and click on this button again, and then you can create an optional hint for your password. You can skip this step by clicking on this button, and you have to set a recovery email to be able to reset your password. And then click on this button, and then you have to enter a verification code that the Telegram sent to your email. Okay guys, that's how we can enable two-factor authentication and Telegram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!